Ali's role, Hadith interpretations explored. The narration, attributed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, "If I am someone's Mawla then Ali is his Mawla too," has sparked discussions and debates among scholars regarding its authenticity and interpretation. Hadith interpretations explored. This hadith, found in collections like Al-Tirmidhi and Ibn Majah, has been subject to scrutiny and analysis by Islamic scholars throughout history. There exists a difference of opinion regarding the authenticity of this hadith. While some scholars, like al-Zayla'i, question its reliability, others like al-Dahabi and al-Albani consider it to be sahih, authentic. Shaykh al-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah and various other scholars have delved into the chain of narration and the content of the hadith to evaluate its credibility. In his work, Manhaj al-Sunnah, Ibn Taymiyyah scrutinizes the additional phrases appended to the core hadith, such as "O Allah, take as friends those who take him as a friend, and take as enemies those who take him as an enemy," denouncing them as false. He emphasizes the importance of critically analyzing hadiths, especially those with contested meanings or dubious origins. The core statement of the hadith, "If I am someone's Mawla then Ali is his Mawla too," has been interpreted in various ways. Some scholars suggest that it denotes a bond of friendship and allegiance between the Prophet Muhammad and Ali, while others view it in the broader context of Islamic brotherhood and loyalty among believers. The term Mawla carries multiple connotations, including lord, master, supporter, and friend, leading to diverse interpretations based on contextual analysis. Al-Jazari, in his work Al-Nihaya, elucidates the multifaceted meanings of a Mawla as mentioned in different hadiths and Quranic verses. He highlights the flexibility of interpretation based on the contextual relevance of the term. Al-Shafi'i proposes that a Mawla signifies the bonds of Islam, emphasizing the spiritual and communal aspects of the relationship between believers. The hadith's significance does not negate the established virtues of other companions, particularly Abu Bakr, Umar, and Uthman, who are revered for their contributions to Islam. While Ali holds a special place among the companions, the hadith does not imply his superiority over others, but rather underscores the unity and mutual respect among the early Muslims. Scholars caution against extrapolating divisive interpretations from this hadith, such as elevating Ali above other companions or casting aspersions on their integrity. The focus should be on understanding the broader principles of Islamic brotherhood, loyalty, and respect for all companions, as exemplified by the Prophet Muhammad. In conclusion, the hadith, "If I am someone's Mawla then Ali is his Mawla too," remains a subject of scholarly discourse and interpretation within the Islamic tradition. Its authenticity, nuanced meanings, and implications require careful examination and contextual understanding. Rather than engendering discord, the hadith serves as a reminder of the bonds of faith and fraternity that unite believers, transcending temporal and sectarian divisions. As Muslims, it is incumbent upon us to approach such hadiths with humility, seeking knowledge and wisdom from authoritative sources while upholding the principles of unity, respect, and compassion enjoined by Islam. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like videos. Click the bell icon for more updates.